This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 35 meters is a Class A RV. It is located in Altoona, Iowa, 50009 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Des Moines. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 35 meters is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.